Today we're looking to a new scalping strategy which can be applied to the 5 and a 15-minute chart. Let's dive right in. To get the same chart as me, I'm on the 5-minute chart. I'm using BTC USD pair. I'm using a ADX. Let me just open the indicators. I use ADX, the average directional index. I'm using the STD of LOX. It's the filtered and Gaussian filter. I'm using that one. The other one is going to be the ATR stop loss finder of VeriFit, which is a commonly used one, and a regular EMA. That's up to you if you want to use that. This can be done with 3 indicators, but if you have the premium version, you could use more indicators. I always like to add the EMA on top of it, but you don't necessarily need it because you can watch the own trend, because you can draw trend lines and you can see that you're making lower highs, so you know you are in a downtrend or not. But that's up to you. For beginner traders, I would recommend using a EMA. So for the STD indicator, everything for me is default. I turn off the bar color because to make it a bit more clear, I don't like that my colors are changed. For the ATR, I'm using a multiplier of 1. And that's basically it, and that's for my stop loss. The EMA is 200. I made it yellow. Normally I make it red, but there's a lot of red already in the chart, so I made it yellow, so to make it clear. And for the ADX right here, we need a white line, or we need a line on the 20 level. If you press Alt H, you get one horizontal line. If you double click that horizontal line, you can go to coordinates and you type in 20, and it's exactly on the 20 level. Why do we want it to be on the 20 level? Well, we only take trades when the line is above it. It doesn't matter if you're looking for short positions or long positions. It always should be above the 20 level, not on the 20 level, above it. So, okay, to make that clear, we are looking for short positions when you are underneath the EMA. So right here we are underneath the EMA, we are in a bearish downtrend, so we are looking for short positions. Right here we get our signal. Its purple is a little S. I'm not sure if you can see it, but believe me, it's there. On this candle we get a short signal. So after this candle close, we are looking like okay, is everything ready? Is it underneath the EMA? Yes, it is. Is it above the ADX? Yes, it is. Is my ATR even on 1? Yes, it is. Okay, let's take a short position. Candle closed, so you do it on the start of the next candle, on top of it. Place it on your last, on the ATR I mean, and do that times 1.5. Like that. That's one entry, that's one short position. If you look further, you get a long indication, a signal here, but you're underneath the EMA, so you skip the long positions. Right here you get a short signal, and you are underneath the EMA. But one thing is not right, you're underneath the 20 level of the ADX. No short position, skip it. Right here again, it's underneath it, you skip it. Right here, it's above it. What do? You take the entry. Okay, let's go. Right there. Times 1.5. Easy profit. Next one. Oh wait, you're underneath it. You skip it. Would you had a profit? Of course you had. But you skip a lot of false signals, and that's exactly what we want. Right here as well, short position. You are underneath the 20 level. You probably would have been stopped out because the trend is weakening. Would you have been? Yes, you would have. Right here, you do not take the entry. Right here, you do take the entry. Would you have taken the profit? Yes, you did. So believe me, only take the trades above the ADX, okay? These were the short signals. Let me show you some long positions. With our Patreon, you get access to a premium signal group. We update these daily. You get a few entries each day. We have a special course, we have private indicators, and you get a weekly chart update with a live stream. That all for around $30 each month. You can join that in our Patreon. Link is down in the description below. Just take a look. It's really awesome. At this point you see a long position. Where are we? We are above the EMA. So that is 2 confirmations. Third confirmation, the ADX is above the 20 level. So you take a long position on that candle close. So that should be there. ATR right there. Times 1.5. Easy profit. We're gonna backtest this one 100 times and I'll come back with you with results. After doing 100 backtests, it has an insane gain on account. I did not expect this, but it's higher than I've expected. Even when some trades were really tight, like only 0.1 or 0.2% gain on account. For me, that's not high enough. So I would normally increase the current stop loss because otherwise the fees will kill you. But still, it has a 29% gain on account. Everything here is without the fees, so keep that in mind. 62% win rate, insanely high win streak, only 32 days. This literally is a really good strategy. It's quite simple. A few things you could improve on this one is taking the trades when the ADX is going up instead of going down. And the ATR of 1, sometimes it's like good enough for your stop loss, but sometimes it's too tight. So maybe do a ATR times 1.5 or use the recent swing. Wait, my stop loss is not swing, but it's the ATR. So yeah, this is going to be it. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Don't forget that we use BYBIT. The link is down in the description. You can get a nice bonus, and we have a really great Patreon. We have a free Discord. Everything down is in the description. Take a look. See you in the next one. Cheers.